My name is Thomas Cline. I graduated here at NKU December of 1998. Right now I'm presently working with Beck Studios. I am supervisor for installs in theaters. The campus here has changed quite a bit since I've been here. Seeing what they've done to this place it's really brought the school to a new level, I think. When this opportunity came up, I was excited for it. Just to come back and see the facility, remembering what it was and what it meant to me to be here, and then seeing what it's become. One experience in particular was the meeting my wife. We actually met right down there on stage. It was for a show that I was stage managing, and now 24 years later, still married, 5 kids. It's been wonderful. She's been everything, and really she was excited when I was coming in here as well. When I was here, the faculty members is what brought me to where I am today. I put a lot on them. They were really instrumental in what I do, but just coming in and being able to leave what I built here, and for future students to say, hey, you know what, I did that. That was my job. And it's really meant a lot to me.